see here, what is this? Hospitals hit by workers' strike. Here, this is given you one headline of a newspaper. Now, and downside, you are given the report related to that headline. Hospital services across the capital dash for 3 days after hospital staff went on strike. The headline said that hospitals hit by worker strike. It means in hospitals had had gone on a strike, right? So you have to complete this report. But it's not always compulsory that the blank in the report will be filled with passive voice. Sometimes it may be filled with active voice also, that you have to understand with the sense. Means here subject is emphasized or object is emphasized. Okay, for example, hospital services across the capital dash for 3 days strike. Dash for 3 days strike. Hospital services. Now here workers went on strike is given, or hospital services across the capital. It means here it is giving the sense of passive voice. So we have to use your passive voice. Now which tense will be used in these? Generally you will almost get to be filled here either your simple past tense or your present perfect tense, depending upon the report. Now here in your report, went is given, already past tense is given. It means your passive of your past tense should be used. Word disrupted, are disrupted, have disrupted, or had been disrupted. Which is your simple past tense? Yeah, that's were disrupted. So here your answer will be were disrupted. Disrupted means you can say कि the hospital services were called off or were disturbed. Okay, who disturbed them? Workers. Is it mentioned कि workers disturbed the services of hospitals? No. What is emphasized here? It is emphasized object. So we have used here passive form. And in some cases you will find here the use of passive of present perfect tense. I'll give you one more example. And in some cases, when to be form is given here, to form comes, so that will refer to your future. In that case, your future tense will be used. Otherwise, most probably which one tense? Present perfect tense and simple past tense. Now let me write one more example. Acha, one more thing before I go for next example. In this, title is given to you, headline is given to you, and you have written the report. Now opposite can also come, that report is given to you and you have to change it into the headline. Okay, so now you once see here that how detailed is the report and how short is the headline. In headline you just have to go for the main event, main thing, the crux of that situation. Okay, now let's go for the next example. Now see the next example. Here your headline is scientists developed synthetic cornea. Now what's its report? A team of 3 scientists. Here is it mentioned who developed it? No. It's just mentioned scientists developed synthetic cornea. Scientist means scientist is subject and develop is your verb, and what's the object? Synthetic cornea. Now a team of 3 scientists. Here again a team of 3 scientists is given. So dash synthetic cornea which can replace any damaged cornea. It means here what is? It means here you are given the subject. When we are given the subject, shall we go for active voice or passive voice? Yes, we shall go for active voice. So we will not here use passive form, we will use here active form. Now which one active form should be used? Had developed means past perfect, have developed present perfect, is developed your passive form, because otherwise with is developing will come. Then has developed present perfect tense also. So what shall be the answer? I just told you either simple past tense in active or passive, or your present perfect tense in active or passive. So that means here we have to use present perfect tense, but in present perfect tense also we have 2 choices. One is has developed, one is have developed. Why? Because here the word team is given. because students here make mistake, they go for scientists. But here this is a longer subject in which our main word is team, and team is a collective noun doing the same action, right? So that's why it will be considered as singular. So what will be our correct answer then? Has developed. I hope this is also clear. So let's take our last example where report is given and you will translate it into its headline. So now see here, 5 persons were killed in Port Blair due to a cyclone storm on Monday. Here beta, what is given to you? Here you are given a report that 5 persons were killed. See here, passive voice, in Port Blair due to a cyclone storm on Monday. Now what's the headline that's made out of it? 5 killed. There are 5 killed is showing here you are actually passive voice, but just they have avoided the verb here. Extra helping here. 5 killed as cyclone hits. It's passive, it's simple present. Okay. The cyclone hits Port Blair coast. Okay. Now second example, a ship loaded with containers was sunk. Again passive of simple past in the sea of Mumbai. Now what's its headline? This you have to frame. Here also this you have to frame. This is given to you. Okay. Headline is ship loaded with oil containers sinks. See, simple present tense for headline. Sinks in the sea of Mumbai. I hope the topic of voice will be clear to you all. Now one assignment will be given to you all, so you should solve that assignment. After that we'll discuss it and I'll take your doubts. Thank you. Have a nice day.